Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our virtual training workshop. It's a sequence of 21 days of effective communication, which is a part of Positive Psychology coaching series. Today is our 13th day of this training, and our topic is Uncover Your Communication Background. Now let's start with the name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Today we come with another important discussion, that how you will control over your communication style. As we know that the communication is a key to any relation, so our communication style should be so impressive and gentle that people love to talk with us or desire to have a conversation session with us. Our today's training will won't just improve your understanding of importance of your communication style, it will also boost your social intelligence to your personal as well as professional relationship. In our previous lecture, we discussed people's behavior and emphasize that always focus on the behaviors and do not give any importance to the character. You have to learn a simple trick that will help you to resolve arguments, get your requirements met in a relationship, and stay on everyone's good side. The first thing which is noticed in our conversation is our conversational style. That is how we communicate in our communication. We all come from different backgrounds, and it is a fact that our communication is affected by the way we raised up. It's human nature that our upbringing has a great impact on us. It has affected the way we talk to others and how we conduct ourselves in our relationships. We learn from our parents as they are our first role models. In fact, our early years plays a key role in shaping our adult personalities. Then we learn from our friends, colleagues, relatives, and surroundings. This process of learning nurtures our personality and we become mature in our habits and behaviors. Self-knowledge plus action, of course, is a solid foundation for change. It can help you work your way around blocks or personal resistance. For example, you might realize that it makes sense to expand your vocabulary or talk in a more confident manner, because doing so improves your relationship and social standing. However, you may feel as though something is holding you back. In these cases, it's a good idea to dig a little deeper and think about your underlying beliefs about who you are and how you should communicate others and how it affects others and as well as you. For instance, if your parents taught you that others will see you as arrogant or overbearing when you are confident, it shouldn't come as a surprise when you feel a resistance to change. In order to know the communication background of any person, it is important to know the following questions. Number one, do you have any solid social skills? Parents are man's first teacher. So if your parents knew how to have a healthy relationship and maintain a good relationships with others, then it's obvious that you also know how to maintain good relationship with others. If not, you probably find social situations a bit confusing. This can cause you to doubt yourself and to feel shy around new people. Did your family allow you for friendship? It's a human need that he needs friends and social circle around him. It isn't normal to be completely friendless. If your parents or family members are not interested in any kind of friendship or any social circle, you may be confused by the rules of normal social interactions and might not know how to respond when other people show an interest in you. Do you have any rules when it comes to communication or relationships? Your family may have developed some rules for communication, and it is important to follow these rules. But children pay more attention to what adults do than what they say. These rules are a defining factor in our social lives. Although these rules don't even have to be stated up front, as we said earlier, that children pay more attention to what adults do than what they say. If it's a toss up between learning from words or learning from actions, it's the action that carry more weight every time. How to make up after an argument or settle a difference of opinion. Disagreement is inevitable in any relationship. If we don't understand how to understand someone's point of view or how to reconcile after a fight or quarrel, any kind of conflict will feel terrible or frightening. Therefore, the need of time is that we should train ourselves to make up after an argument or settle a difference of opinion. Did your parents or family member encourage you to express yourself? We have met with number of people in our daily life who don't even have the vocabulary to say how they feel. Obviously, this means they face distress in their relationships because they don't have the ability to communicate with other people in an honest, authentic manner. These people were usually raised by parents who reacted badly to any display of strong emotions, even enthusiasm. Such parents or family member make young people or their children who have a weak personality in communication and they even cannot express their own perspective with confidence. They send their children a clear message: it's inappropriate to express yourself. Today's challenge is a bit difficult and daring, but you might come up with some useful insights. All you have to do is take a piece of paper and divide it into two columns. At the top of each, write down the name of your most important caregivers or guardian from early childhood. For most people, this will be mom and dad, but you might have been cared for another relative or even friends of the family. Now think about their communication styles. What did you learn from each of these individuals? Write down the beliefs they passed on to you. Now decide that either you want to hold on these beliefs or is it time to swap them for better, healthier way of communication. Thank you very much. Here we finish this lecture on Uncover Your Communication Background. We hope that you enjoy much and learn a lot of new things with us. We are waiting for your valuable feedback. We will be right back with a new topic. Keep watching our YouTube channel. For more upcoming lectures and trainings, please subscribe our YouTube channel.